Hello everyone! Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that's all about restoring balance and well-being. Energy healing practices. Whether you're new to this concept or looking to deepen your knowledge, we've got some powerful and holistic practices to share. Let's explore how you can harness the energy around you to promote healing and harmony in your life. First up, Reiki, a gentle but effective energy healing practice. Reiki involves the practitioner channeling universal energy through their hands to promote relaxation and healing. You can experience Reiki in person or even through distance healing sessions. It's a great way to reduce stress and support emotional balance. Next, meditation is a powerful tool for energy healing. By focusing your mind and calming your spirit, meditation helps align your energy and promote mental clarity. Whether you prefer guided meditations, mindfulness, or transcendental meditation, setting aside a few minutes each day can make a big difference. Next, let's talk about crystal healing. Different crystals are believed to carry unique energy properties that can support various aspects of your health. For example, amethyst is known for its calming energy, while rose quartz is associated with love and healing. Place crystals in your living space or hold them during meditation to harness their benefits. Next, acupuncture is an ancient practice that involves inserting fine needles into specific points on the body to balance energy flow, known as Qi. It's often used to alleviate pain, reduce stress, and support overall wellness. Finding a qualified acupuncturist can help you explore this holistic approach. Next, Qi Gong is a practice that combines gentle movement meditation and breath control to cultivate and balance energy. It's excellent for improving flexibility, reducing stress, and enhancing overall vitality. Incorporate Qi Gong exercises into your daily routine to experience its benefits. Moving on to sound healing, uses various instruments such as Tibetan singing bowls and tuning forks to create vibrations that promote healing. The sound waves can help release blockages and restore balance. Attend a sound healing session or use a sound bowl at home to experience this soothing practice. Next, aromatherapy involves using essential oils to influence your emotional and physical well-being. Scents like lavender can promote relaxation, while peppermint can invigorate your senses. Use essential oils in a diffuser or add a few drops to your bath for a holistic healing experience. Lastly, chakra balancing focuses on aligning the body's energy centers, known as chakras, to support overall health. Techniques like meditation, visualization, and specific yoga poses can help clear and balance these energy centers. Explore chakra healing to enhance your energy flow and emotional well-being. And that wraps up our exploration of energy healing practices. We hope you found these techniques inspiring and useful for enhancing your well-being.